Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're looking at the AQA Foundation Tier Paper 2 GCSE Mathematics. This is the second paper in the Foundation Tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 24, which reads, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A to triangle B. So triangle A is the big one and triangle B is the little one. Okay, well, this could be quite complicated, but even if all you say is enlargement or enlarge, that'll get you 1 mark. If you say gets bigger, grows, or shrinks, or gets smaller, that would score you 0 marks. But if you say enlargement or enlarge, that will get you 1 mark. So you can get a mark just for saying enlargement. Okay, so that's enlargement. So the other mark would be if you say by how much. So the base of this triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, and the base of this triangle is 2. The side here is sort of like 1, 2, 3 diagonals. 1, 2, 3 diagonals, and this is 1 diagonal. So this A is 3 times bigger than B, but we want to know the transformation from A onto B. So it's not 3 times, it's 1/3. So if we say scale factor, or just SF, 1/3, that would get you the other mark. You can't say divide by 3. You need to say times 1/3 or scale factor 1/3. Now, the next thing is to figure out where the center of the enlargement is. So it's obviously not in the center of triangle A or the center of triangle B. So what we want to do is draw some faint lines. And these won't be faint, will they? Let's make it faint. So from one apex to the other, and then we extend the line in both directions because we don't yet know where it's going. And now we've got an idea where it's going, actually, because we're looking for the point where the lines converge, and we already know where they're going to converge now because 2 of them have converged. But just for thoroughness, let's join this apex to this apex, and bang, they're centered from here. So if you actually see what they've done, I get a slightly thicker line. So from here, there's your vector here. Trying to draw an arrow. And then your other vector is here. So the vector for B is 1/3 of the vector for A. It's been shrunk by a scale factor. And we could do the same for the other lines, but you already know what's happening here. So what we can say is the center is, and remember we always give coordinates x and x comma y. So x is 5 and y is 1, where this centre point is, where all those little lines that we drew met. So that's centre 5, 1. And that's your 3 marks. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.